tell you. Okay, so this is an Aventador S, and we're taking this right now to go see one of my top clients, like for years, like probably 3 years. This dude has spent probably $500,000 with me, and when he comes into town, he likes to have 2 vehicles, preferably 2 Lambos. So he has the Urus, and then he has the Aventador S. It's an Aventador S, not an Aventador. This is an Aventador S. It's like a special vehicle. This car is literally top of the line. I love this vehicle so much. I get so excited when I'm in this shit. This shit is crazy. But we're gonna stop over. Oh my god, I have spit all over the place. I'm sorry, it's what I do when I'm nervous. I eat straws, but I'm gonna put this out. I know I'm littering the environment, my bad. But yeah, so he likes 2 vehicles. Usually I charge roughly about $2,500 a day for this thing. This thing is beautiful. This thing is like amazing. And of course, you know, the doors go up. So yeah, it's a real Lambo. I'm about to go to the dealership right now because I'm buying a Range Rover Sport. I need some extra vehicles and extra inventory in here. Picked up the check.
That shit sounds insane.
Yeah, you hear that? That's an authentic V12 fucking stallion right there, man. That shit is crazy. Oh shit. Piggies.
Jordan 4s or
Jordan 1s. Rolexes got more than one.
my AP costs
Only one. I just like blew through the cops right now. Like,
Oh, if there wasn't traffic.
don't drive like me if you rent from me. You cannot drive like this if you're renting from me, okay? I'm just saying, like, I will take your security deposit. All your security deposit. You're not gonna drive like this if you rent any of my cars, okay? I can drive like this because it's my vehicles, it's my business. But you? No. No. I just did. Are you hearing that shit? C'est la sagacité. I got you, lady. It's all good, Your Highness. I got you. There you go. Monday. So this is my guy, Victor. So if you ever need to get financing done, you need to get in a car you need to get into. This man right here, he's gonna get you right. He's over here at ABZ here in Houston. The G-Wagon?
Yeah.
You want the G-Wagon?
Yeah, key.
Key?
Hand it up to the bar.
Apologize.
Alright.
You gonna say thank you? Say thank you!
He knows where to start it.
Oh, bro, he's in my shop 24/7. So yeah, we just got that all new Range Rover Sport. Did the paperwork, credit checked out, everything solid. This baby, it's really a gift for my girlfriend, but I'm still gonna rent it. I don't give a shit.
You like it?
No, I like the one.
No, we have to go and enter the Lambos. We are in Lambo mode. We are not in small mode. Lambos.
I was running out the other one.
Oh, really?
He's like, it's this motherfucker that brought me here.
Oh, by the way, this is my man.
What's going on, man? Yes, sir.
As you can see, top of the line client, man. Top
of the line, number
best,
one.
Number one.
Number
client.
one.
He comes with blue hundreds, man. That's it. That's all I want.
Yes,
That's all
sir.
I want. And of course, we have Zaire over here is inspecting the cars. So
The young boss.
Gotta make sure everything makes sense.
Does it make sense?
Does it make sense? Everything's clean cut? Zaire, are we good? We good on miles, everything? Everything makes sense?
I like the one.
You like it? Delivered this too, and now we're about to head back to the shop. Etiquette Exotics, back here at the warehouse. We just picked up the new Range Rover. We have a music video going on here in the back. Yeah, and we got guys hooping in here. And we got Ophan over here, so yeah. Stay tuned. We got this man over here, backseat, shooting a music video. He got cameras, I got cameras too. You know what I mean? Lifestyle, you ain't living like this, you ain't living right, you know what I'm talking about? See my boy? That's my boy. Bob, please give me some money, please. like I get some Boris some cash. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you for all the love. My money now. So we're about to go drop off a vehicle. I just got a call from Rodwave, one of my top clients, and he just hit me up. He's like, man, I need an Escalade right now. I had the Escalade, you know, I had my girlfriend Macy driving the Escalade, so I'm like, babe, you need to wash the car. We gotta go drop it off for Rodwave. So right now we're headed to go drop off the car for Rodwave, and you know, basically just kind of going through a week, seeing what happened. We just got done with the whole video shoot with Tyler the Creator, which Jack didn't shoot anything on. I don't know why, but
They said we couldn't take pictures or video. You were there.
We'll just scrap some behind the scenes footage.
I got a little
we
something.
Captured. You did?
But yeah, we can put it in right here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll drop it in.
Okay.
Money, big cars, big jewels, big y'all, big niggas, big talk.
Yeah, alright, cool. That's great. That's cool. That's cool. Well, we about to go now. We gotta check this shit out. Alright, no Allah. Alright, broski. I'm about to go meet Rodwave real quick. Wait, yeah, there should be a chase over there. Hey guys, Etiquette Exotics over here at Akama Lifestyle. I got my guy Rodwave over here. Always fucking with me when he's in town, man. I appreciate your business. Whatever you need, man, all the time.
That's the motherfucker got everything. SUVs, goddamn Rolls Royce trucks,
Jets.
whatever you need.
Look, it's Friday. We're basically sold out. We're gonna be sold out for sure tomorrow. But we had Rodwave in here. He fucked up my fucking basketball, bro. But we about to go see him in concert, so it's gonna be lit. And Macy's, you know. Like, hey.
Oh man, what are we doing?
Coco.
The attitude on you is crazy.
Homie came in right here, man. He just lost on UFC. He just lost on UFC. Hands down. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, I just want to watch this. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate you. Lovely. Thank you. Great. Nice.
Nice car. Feel like they've been on it. Nah, bro, that's
You
just...
paid up, Jay?
Yeah, bro. Go pay it up.
Here we go.
What are you doing here today?
No.
You're about to find out, huh? Exactly. Exactly. Eddie, can explain what we're about to go get into?
Well, we're going to go meet Lil Baby real quick. And we're just gonna go, I don't fucking know, dude. I'm fucking
Are we taking
tired.
one of these cars?
Yeah, we're taking a Cully over here. And we're over here at our sister company, Luxo. And yeah, we're just about to go do some fucking hood rat shit. We're heading to the airport right now to go pick up the Urus from Lil Baby, who's been here for like, I wanna say 4 days already. And we're about to just go grab that and then just go deliver a couple more of these vehicles out Sunday, and we're about to close out the week. You guys gonna be getting a solid vlog. But yeah, be on the lookout for this vlog. It's gonna be crazy. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, be nice, leave a comment. Now it's time to put some music on. I bet, say less. I'm already there in Departure. I bet. I'm gonna see you in a second. Alright.
Just normal calls.
This nigga. So we're over here at a hotel in the Galleria. We're trying to pick up the Escalade because Rodwave had the Escalade for most of the month. And right after the show, this is a brand new 2021 Escalade too. He said it just cut off on him mid. So thank God he was in the Maybach. So he was good, but his security had to park it here on a second floor. So we're about to check the state of the vehicle real quick. It's supposed to be here on the second floor somewhere. He sent the tow truck guy to come and try to get it. There she is. Line layer. She's right there. So we're gonna step out and see what's up with this car real quick. See what state the car is in. The car's good. Haven't been smoked in. Rodwave definitely takes care of vehicles. Can't say that much about him, but we're in here. What's wrong? Battery. Has to be a battery. Sounds like the battery, right?
Yeah.
I just young from the leaf. Yeah. Let me get your phone up. Let me get your phone up. Let me get your phone up. We really went to war every moment. I felt like that shit was fun to me. None of that shit was meant for me. I know this shit was meant to me. Feel like I'm running from the streets. I just young from the leaf. I get a phone call every week by the people that we really went to war every moment. I felt like that shit was fun to me. None of that shit was meant for me.
Etienne, let them know what we've been doing for the past couple of days.
Past couple days, we've just been partying a lot. Hey guys, Etiquette Exotics reporting live from Via Kez, Puerto Rico. As you can see, we've had a crazy week, crazy couple weeks, crazy month in general, from everyone from Lil Baby, James Harden, Rodwave, you name it. We've had pretty much the biggest artists in the city, McMill, come into our city in Houston, Texas. And I just had to really just take a break and just soak it all up and just kind of enjoy where I'm at right now. And so I needed a break after all that shit, so I took a break. So yeah. Join me, man. It's a fucking lifestyle, bitch!
Champagne, champagne, champagne. Wanna sip on you like champagne.
Now, so basically, just want to say thank you for all the support. Don't forget, hit me up at Etiquette Exotics for whatever your luxury needs are, your concierge needs are, vehicles, yachts, private jets, whatever it is you want. And of course, you know, villas like this too. We can definitely get you whatever you want. I'm telling you that why did I give them the color, the black color? See if I knew that. Exactly. It hit Lizzo.
Bro, it's just over here.
We're gonna follow you. It's gonna be down in the park.
Who's that?
I'll look at that. You gotta be paying attention, man.